What are you doing? Jose, what are you doing?
See, Mom? See, Mommy?
I see.
That was funny.
Okay.
Can you take a picture of me? Wow, I got it.
Show me your ball dance.
Look at my dance, Mommy.
Oh, you got to come over here where I can see you. Where Libby is.
Girls are funny.
They are. And boys are handsome.
Can you take a picture of me now?
Yep. Go stand over there. Libby, Josie, where are you?
Right now.
Back up. I can't see you. Back up. Whoops.
What are you doing?
2. Cough, cough. Wah! Where's your ball? Josie, show me how you lay on it.
Okay.
Libby, let me see you lay on it. Libby, what's your favorite?
On my belly,
Yeah, what's your favorite color again?
pink, red, and green.
And green.
Yellow, purple, and red. Green. My like green color.
All right, funny girls.